Glory be to the triune God. His Beatitude, Metropolitan Tikhon, Your Grace Carlos Tirumeni, Your Grace Nicholas Tirumeni, Reverend Father Dr. T.J. Joshua, Reverend Father Dr. K.M. George, Reverend Father Dr. John Baer, Reverend Father Dr. Stephen Wojtowicz, Reverend Father Dr. O. Thomas, all respected fathers, Rambachans, sisters, distinguished guests, dear friends. It is indeed a great privilege to be part of the formal inauguration of Sobhana Orthodox Academy, which is the fulfillment of a long-cherished dream of many members of the Church. Let us join them to thank God for this unique and glorious gift to the Church. It is very gladdening to know that Sobhana Academy is making theologizing very popular, which is otherwise confined to a few faculty members and students of our seminaries. It is heartening to know that a lot of budding theologians, young leaders, and scholars are getting opportunity here to share their views and express their concerns for their mutual enlightenment, for the edification of the Church, and also for the building up of a just and peaceful society. May the researches and open discussions under the auspices of Sobhana Academy could contribute immensely to the faith and witness of the Church, which is really facing a lot of challenges today. Failing to distinguish the religious fanaticism and faithfulness to the authentic religious resources, many faithful are also tempted to ignore and sideline their Orthodox Christianity, which is really very, very painful. Overemphasis of luxurious consumerist culture, professional excellence, and self-gratification promoted by today's economic globalization is really threatening to the vision of a deification which emphasizes the primary greatness of human life. May God bless this new academy under the enlightening leadership of Reverend Father Dr. K.M. George, the renowned Orthodox theologian, to help many to reread and reinterpret the rich resources of ancient Christianity for addressing the challenges posed by communalism, poverty-related issues, atheistic materialism, the distorted prosperity, spirituality, and ecological crisis. May the Church be benefited out of this to be rooted in Orthodox Christian faith for an effective witness. No rootedness means a rottenness. No rottenness, that is very, very painful. A rottenness means fruitlessness. The Orthodox Christianity is emphasizing the rootedness in faith, not just to avoid the superficial rottenness of the Church, but to make the Church more vibrant, fruitful, and dynamic for the glory of the kingdom of God. Saintly bishops like His Grace Givaris Mar Ivanios Tirumeni, in whose name this Chaitanya Nilaya is known, who used to remind us continuously about the importance of Orthodox faith and spiritual exercises. And bishops like His Grace Georgios Mar Ostatios and His Grace Stephanos Mar Theodosius, who unceasingly emphasized the importance of the mission to the marginalized and the poor in this country, give proper guidance and mature and balanced orientation to the researches, reflections, and actions of the Orthodox Academy. Today, Sobhana Academy has brought together 4 Orthodox seminaries from US and India together here, which are represented by the principals, and also many scholars and seekers of faith and truth from different walks of life from different parts of the world, which displays a little bit of the global vision of this academy and also the deep Orthodox commitment. Joining all of you and also the Nagpur Seminary family, I take this opportunity to wish that Sobhana Academy could lead and guide the church to the higher steps of enlightenment. It is also a great joy today to share the dais with Reverend Father Dr. John Baer, my teacher from St. Vladimir's Orthodox Seminary. I wish all the best for the future functioning of this academy, for the glory of the kingdom of God, for the edification of our church. Thank you.